If we look at current capacity and those next in-line projects and expansions, there is forecast to be a significant growth in supply, but this is still expected to fall short and unable to keep pace with demand from lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles, which has at least 1 or 2 decades of strong growth ahead. There are plenty of projects in the pipeline, but they need time to come online, and this is one of the biggest problems facing the sector. Extracting lithium and producing a battery-grade product is complicated, and the current development timelines that we are seeing are not conducive to a move towards a balanced market. Without actionable policy and regulatory support, these timelines are only likely to lengthen due to increasingly stringent ESG parameters and lengthening permitting processes. And it's because of this, we expect the market to remain reasonably tight. We are confident that new supply will come online to fill any large gaps, but we think prices will stay elevated to incentivize this capacity, but timing will be important. And if supply fails to expand at the necessary pace, there will have to be some form of strategy change or demand destruction. And this could constitute a move to smaller battery pack sizes or the penetration of more plug-in hybrid electric vehicles as opposed to fully electric. So unconventional resources include geothermal and oil-filled brines, as well as seawater. To a certain extent, this also includes clay deposits, such as those located in the US and Mexico. Production from geothermal deposits could be the holy grail of sustainable lithium production, providing both clean energy and a source of lithium. And these projects are located in Europe and the US. Oil-filled brines are a byproduct of gas production and exploration, with wastewater potentially providing a lithium resource. Parties are looking into seawater, as apart from the sheer quantities, seawater provides an evenly distributed lithium source, and this would increase supply security, reducing the current chokehold Australia and Chile have on production. As you'd expect, like hard rock deposits, clay resources are higher grade than those sources previously mentioned. However, traditionally the process of extracting lithium from clay was considered to be uneconomic. This is beginning to change, but there are still risks associated with processing, which involves techniques yet to be used on a commercial level. In our view, the current upside potential is limited and unlikely to be enough to address supply shortages. That being said, we do expect some of these resources to contribute supply within our long-term forecast, especially considering the investment and backing in several projects from OEMs and battery cell manufacturers. However, we don't expect them to keep to their projected timelines or ramp up schedules, and we have been conservative in our estimates. The real challenges with bringing this new supply online is that a lot of them rely on direct lithium extraction technologies, which have to be utilized because the grades in these resources are so low. We're talking grades of 1 to 200 parts per million in geothermal brines versus 500 to 2000 ppm in conventional brines in the lithium triangle. Many of the assumptions utilized in these unconventional brine feasibility studies are said to be unrealistic or over-optimistic as best, especially considering a lot of these are still at pre-commercial stage.